You searched how to buy shares of Umicore. Umicore is a materials technology and recycling group listed on Euronext under the ticker UMI.BR. And this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an ID, and add funds before you can buy shares. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker UMI.BR to locate Umicore. Make sure you select the Euronext listing to open the correct asset page. On the Umicore asset page, you will see a short company summary and a price chart. Confirm the page shows Euronext and the ticker UMI.BR so you have the right stock. To place an order, click Invest, enter the amount you want. Carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next open. And if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio. If you want to follow this walkthrough, the eToro link is available in the description below.